Hey there, thanks for joining us. Be sure to watch this entire video as we guarantee it will be worth your time.
Dwayne here from markdwayne.com. This is my vAI review. So what is vAI? vAI is a Google AI Bard-powered app that adds interactive elements inside any video, including call to actions, buy now buttons, opt-in forms, e-commerce stores, and more. And we're in the members area, and we're on the dashboard, and I'm going to give you an overview demo of vAI. And the first thing that I'm going to do is show you the demo video by the vendor, so then you have the best understanding of this program. Then you can decide whether it's something that you're interested in. So I'm going to play that demo video now, and then I'll be back.
Hello, you're welcome to this tutorial video. Right here, I'll be showing you how vAI works. Now, this is your dashboard, and the first thing you have to do is to come right here. You click on campaign, then you click on create campaign. It loads, and right here you have different options, different methods for you to create your new campaign. You have the search for your video, YouTube videos, Vimeo videos, and you can use a direct upload method as well. Right, so now the first one we're going to pick here is search for a video. You click on it like this, and you have the continue here. You click on continue, and of course right here you say search video using keyword or voice, right? And now if you want to make use of the voice, you have to hold the microphone icon to activate voice search. Now let us try the voice search and see. Weight loss. You have it generated, you have the videos generated for you, right? And you can just pick from any of the videos right here, right? So now let's see this. You click on it and you move down and you click on continue. So right here the video is shown for you, and all you have to do is to just go down. You come down and you click on continue again. Then right here you have to enter your campaign details, your name, the slug will be shown here, your video slug, then your niche and keywords. So your name, right, you have the slug generated automatically for you here. Then your niche, plus then your keywords, you have them. Then you click on continue. And then you'll be taken right here. You'll be able to make use of our highly interactive elements right here. You can add different elements to your video to engage your audience, to keep them spellbound and make them really take, action. And so now before we continue, let us check for other options that you can use as well to generate video, to hijack any video, right? Now let us check that. But before we do that, let us save our work. I save it. Then you see video content saved successfully. Now, so right here you can as well hijack YouTube, so you click on YouTube videos right here, you click on continue, and right here you just have to enter your YouTube URL that you've copied, right? Then you paste it right here and you click on continue, and the video shows up again, as you can see right here. And when you click on continue, you'll be taken to where you have to enter your campaign details, just like we did earlier on, and you'll be taken to another page where you can make use of our interactive elements, just like we did for the other one earlier on. So you can also make use of Vimeo videos, right? You click on Vimeo right here, then you click on continue, and you input your URL, Vimeo URL right here. Then you paste your URL right here and you click on continue. Then you have the preview of your Vimeo video right here like this. Then you have to scroll down a little bit and you click on continue. Then you have to enter your details as well, right? And you'll be taken to where you have to add the interactive element, right? So you can also make use of the direct upload, where you just have to drag and drop any video from your computer right to the system. Click on continue, then you just click or drag files here. You can either click here to upload from your computer, or you drag the files right here. You just simply drag the video and put it right here, and it will load, and you have the video there. That is very interesting, as you can see. And you click on continue, then you enter your details, your name, your niche, keywords, then you click on continue to be taken to the page where you add our interactive features. So now let's go to where we add the features. So now this is where you get to add our interactive elements to your video for you to engage more with your audience. So you just drag any of the elements right here, and you put it on the video, and it will show right here. You just take it to whatever you want to put it in your video, right? Leave it there, and that's it, right? And you can as well adjust it, right? So now these are the editing features you have right here, right? You can change the color, the font color. You want to change it to red or blue or green, any color that you want, right? You just change it to the color, and as you can see, that's reflected right here. Now the background, if you want to change the background or anything like this, depending on your choice, as you can see, that's changed already. And of course, the font weight, you may increase it if you want. As you can see, it's adjusting. Then the font size, you can increase it like that. Then the font itself, you can change it to anything you want, as you can see, right? And that is it. So we also have the edit content. This content now, I can change it to anything I want. As you can see, I have changed the content right here, right? And you can adjust it. You can adjust it this way. You can bring it back, and that's it, right? And you can move it to anywhere you want to put it in the video. You can move it to anywhere, right? So that's it. And the start time, you can adjust it. The end time, you may say, let it start from the 45th second, then it should end here, right? Or you want to just anywhere you want to put it, right? You can adjust the start time and the end time. Then you move down. You can edit transition as well, right? So you check it. This is fade. If you pick fade, that's how it will show. Then flip, you see. Then hinge, something like that. Jack in the box, Then you also have roll. You can roll, I think I like this. Then you have rotate. I love these too. These are amazing. Slide, it will just slide in, right? And you can quick zoom as well, right? You just zoom out, and that's it. So let's pick roll. This is rolling. So you can decide that as well. Animation direction, you can make it, let's say, right. Let me take it back to left, right? So, and that's it. Now let us pick another one. Now for you to pick another one, you have to click on this close editor. Then you can probably make use of image. You drag and drop the image, whatever you want to put it in your video, right? You make it, you take it to the place, right? And for this image, you have to click on it, and once you do that, you have these edits, features pop up for you, right? And that's it. Now you can change the image right here. You can change it. You can make use of our stock media. Then you search for the image this way, and you click on this search button, and the images will pop up for you, right? So you select from all of the images that we have right here, right? Is that okay? I believe so. So now let us pick the right image that is befitting. Okay, let me say this. Let me pick this. You click on it, and you click on use image, right? And once you do that, it will load. You see image uploaded successfully, right? And it's already showing right here. you can keep it there, or you move it to anywhere you just want it to appear in your video. Is that okay? So that's it. All right, so you can adjust the start time as well. You do that. Okay, maybe start from the beginning to the end. I mean, want it to start from the beginning to the end, right? So, and the transition, let it flip, let it flip like that. And so if you want to adjust this animation duration in secs, maybe you want it to flip for 2 seconds or 3 seconds, right? Animation delay in secs, the delay. So now if you want to change the image from your computer, you have an image in your computer and you want to replace it with the one you have right here, you can just click on this, change image, right? And you'll be able to select any image from your computer, right? And once you do that, you click on open and it will be replaced, right? And it will be uploaded. So once you're done, you click on the close editor right here. And now you make use of another element, the button right here, right? Love this button. Maybe you want them to click on this to perform a particular action, right? Now, so you can change the font color. Let me pick red, or let me pick black, right? Then the background color, let's say red or blue or green. Let me leave it at green like that. You can just pick any color that you want, right? You see, I think this is okay, right? Then you come right here, text content. You can change the text content as well. You say click here now, right? Click here now, and don't forget you can always adjust it. You can make it, depending on your choice, and you can always move it to wherever you want to move it, right, in your video. And that is it. Now you have to input the action link right here. So you just input the link right here, right, and you move on so that when they click on this button, they'll be redirected to the action link, right? And you edit the timing as well, just like we did for the earlier features, right? You can, let me put it here or somewhere here, and that's it. So now you can adjust the transition. Let's see, fade. Okay, let me pick rotate. Yeah, like that, right? And that's it. So now once you're done, you go back, then subscribe. You can make use of the subscribe feature. I mean, these interactive features are very super amazing, super interesting, and any of your customers will love these and they'll be able to take actions very quickly, right? So you can as well edit the title color, right? Let me change it to red, something much more attractive, subtitle color, let me pick something like green. Let's see if that's gonna work. I think I love that, right? Then the background color, right? You can adjust that. Let's see, black. Oh no, I don't like these. Let me maintain my white. I think I love it this way. Then the button color. Let's see what's there. Button. Oh, I think I have to leave it as white, right? Then the button background, I think is okay. That is this particular background. I think it is okay as green. I love it that way. Well, you may decide to change it if you like. Let's see red. Let's see something like red, right? Yes, something like that. These, I think it's okay that way, right? And you can change the subscribe now, right, to something else depending on your choice. Subscribe. Then now you have to, input the link right here, the action link right here. That is when they click on the subscribe button, where they will be redirected to, and all that. So you have to input that right here. And once you do that, you just scroll down and you adjust the time. It could be towards the end, depending on your choice, right? And you have to ensure that it appears in a very significant point right in the video. That's it. So you check the transition as well. It's a slide, it slides in, that's good. Then once you're done, you close the editor and you come back again, you pick another feature, countdown. Right, this is countdown. This is mostly important for urgency, right? For you to push your customers to take action, right? Offer expires soon, something like that. Now let us change the container background. Let me change it to something like let's say, I think red. Yes, red is okay. Red is okay, right? Or let's say these. Okay, I think I still prefer these. Yes, I like these. Right, so once you're done with the color, the container background color, then you check the title color. Let me leave it as black. I think I like the black, this color. Then the counter container, right, these should be red. Oh no, let this be something else. Yep, I think I like these. The text color, yeah, I think black is okay there as well. That is these, so that's it. Now you can change the title, you can change it to anything of your choice. Over ends or ends today, something like that. Then you can just the date. Let me take it back to say 12, right? And that's it. 16, something like that. And once you're done, you go back right here. You can, just the start time. You adjust the end time as well. This is the start time and this is the end time. You can take it forward, right? And you can take it right here. Then you adjust the transition, flip, right? And so that's it. Once you're done, you go back again, right? This is absolutely interesting, right? You also have the product section right here. You can advertise any product in this video, right? You have the opportunity to do that in your video, right? And you have the options to edit the button right here, the elements. You have the option to edit the elements right here. So what you do now, this is container background. You may want to change the color as well to something much more attractive. You can pick that and you can adjust to something else. This could be these, depending on what you want to sell and depending on your choice. Let me pick these. Yeah, I think I like these. Right, so once you select your preferred color, you come back here again, the header color, you can change that as well. Right, it could still be red, it could be black. So right here we have the header background, that background there, it could be black, it could be anything you want to put there. It could be anything. Right. So let me make it blue. Blue is okay. Then product title color, you don't want to leave it like that. Then you want to the show button color, and all of that. So you can of course edit the product title, right? Balenciaga jacket, it's editable. And the price, you can change the price to anything, $500, right here you have to enter your link, right? That is where your customers will be redirected to in order to purchase your products, right? So you input the link right here, there, and right here you have to select your payment gateway, right? And before you can select any payment gateway, you have to ensure that you add your public key, right? Probably you're making use of PayPal or Stripe. You have to ensure that you add your public key, that is your secret key, on your settings page for you to use the payment gateway, right? And how do you do that? Let me show you that very quickly. So right here in your dashboard, you come to settings, you click on settings, then you have your payment keys. This is your payment key, right? Your PayPal public key, right? This is your public key. And if you're making use of Stripe, you input your publishable key right here as well. You paste your publishable key right here. So you click on update keys and it will show payment keys updated successfully. So you can come right here to select the particular payment gateway you want to make use of. It could be PayPal or Stripe, right? So for these, I'll be picking PayPal, right? And okay, do not forget, you can as well change your image. And when you click on it, you can pick the image, click on open, and it will be updated right here, as you see. And you can always change it to anything, whatever it is. You can change the price just like we did earlier on, right? And you have your link. So, and that is it. And you have to adjust the time right here. You determine the start time and the end time. And you can as well adjust the animation. Let's say flip, right? Something like that. And do not forget, you can add more products, right? If you have another product, and you can always, adjust it. Probably you want to change the image, you can change the image right here. You click on it, you select the image and you click on open, right? It will load and you see image uploaded successfully. As you can see, that's shown right here. And you can change the product title. You change the title, then the product's price. It could be anything, any amount you want, right? Then the item link, you can leave it like this, and you input the item link right here as well. And that is it. So moving on, you may want to remove the product again, right? You have the delete option right here, and once you click on it, this particular product will be removed automatically, right? And that's it. And of course, you have the quiz. You can make use of quiz as well. Quiz, interactive element, right? And for these, you can place it anywhere you want. You may want it to appear somewhere here, right? And you can edit all of these things, right? You edit the color, make it something much more attractive, or you may want to make it of green. Okay, I think green is okay, but dark green, or this, right? So now you change the title color. Okay, I think I like the black. It's okay, and that's okay for me. Then the options color, you want to leave it at something like, okay, let's say is blue. All right, so once you're done with that, you can move to the content proper, right? So you can ask any question. So you see, you can actually adjust the content, right? Just like I've done right here. And for the option here, very effective. Then for option B, you see effective. Then for option C, let me say actually effective. Then these, just say neutral, something like these, and they're actually showing right here, right? Now for this particular one, you may say that that A is the correct answer you're looking forward to, right? Getting, something like that. And you may actually set another quiz not related to this. This is just an example, have to adjust the timing, right? Adjust the timing this way. That's it, right? And we have the animation type right here. Let me see, fade, right? Or you pick another one. Let's say flip. Oh no, I think I want something like rotate. Right, good. You have video right here, right? You have to drag it, you drop it here. This shows that you can have another video playing within your video, right? So right here you paste your video link, right? And you will see the video displayed right here automatically, just like it just did, and right here you can, adjust the timing, right? You can adjust the timing when it's going to show, right? Let me pick it at the end. So that's it. And you can as well edit the transition, right? It's like flip. Oh, right there. So once you're done, you go back again, right? You go back right here. And of course, we also have map. Yes, you can integrate map. You just drag and drop it, right? You add an address to display map, right? Now, once you click on this, you're going to have to enter your address right here. You enter your address right here, and once you do that, you're going to see the map, displayed right in your video here, right? And that is it. So you can as well adjust the timing right here. You want to show this, something like this, depends on your choice. And right here you have the edit transition as well. It's a roll, to roll in. And of course, let me show you something very amazing right here again. You can of course come right here to hide the elements, right? You hide the element. As you can see, the elements are leaving, right? Let me remove these products, right? You see the product is gone, right? You see quiz rather. Let me remove these products. You see product is gone as well, right? And if you want to bring them back, you click on it again and they will all come back to, okay, bring it back. They will come back again. As you can see, they're coming back already. They are here again. Isn't that beautiful? So now moving to the next one, we also have watermark, right? Then you just drag and drop it in your video. You drag it to wherever you want to place it in your video, right? Let me put it at the center, and you can just write anything, right? And you can adjust the color, right? I think I like the color. Let me use something ash, right? You can adjust the opacity, that's based on your choice. You can adjust the font size, depending on your choice. You can adjust the font weight, as you can see, it's reducing, and you can adjust it again, increase it again, like that. So you also have the letter spacing. You can remove it, so you can reduce it, or you increase it, as the case may be. Then right here you can edit the content. Let me say be make sure and you adjust it, place it whatever you want to place it, right? And that is it. Isn't that beautiful? Then of course you have to adjust the time, right? Let me say beginning to the end. So you also have the share elements, right, which you can drag and drop here, and you can move it to whatever you want to move it to in your video, right? Then you have to input your URL link right here. You put your link right there, right? And once you're done with that, you come here. If you want to hide it, you click on these. If you want it to show, you click on these, and that's it, right? As you can see, you see it leaves Twitter, it leaves, you want it to show again, you click on this. You want it to show again, you click on it, and they come back, right? And that's it. So you adjust the timing as well, right? Probably you want that to show from beginning to the end, or probably towards the end. You can do that. And you also have the animation type to edit right here. You can edit that, flipping, it flips in, and once you're done, right, you click on this, right? So in all of these, you must always ensure that you're saving whatever you are dragging and dropping on your video. You must always save your campaign, right? So once you click on this, it will roll and you see video content saved successfully. That is it. Right, good. And right here, we make it easy for you to design your landing page, right? And you have the opportunity to make use of our AI landing page. And once you click on these, you'll be taken to this interface, this sidebar, at the sidebar here, right? You have the background color, the background image, the headline, the description, and you also have call to action right here. You can make use of all of these, right? So now looking at this, we have the background image, right? You can pick any background image that we have in our image library, or you upload any image you have in your computer, right? So now let's see the image library. Now, so right here, you have to just search for your image. Let's see. Then you click on search, right? And you're going to see the number of images, right, popping up for you. So all you have to do is to just select any of these images, right, and make use of it as your background image, right? But if you don't want to make use of this, you can of course go back, right, and you come right here, you click on upload image. You come, you select any image, right, that is on your computer, and you will see the image actually popping up right here for you, and you see background image updated successfully, right? So right here, you need headline and description for your video, right? And what you have to do is to just click on this generate content, and as you can see, it's loading already. And right here, the content has been generated for me. Bravo, right? This is amazing. And probably you don't really like the content, the headline now, you want to change it. You can regenerate the content by clicking on this, and you say it's regenerated, right? Good. And if I want to have something different from what I have got here, I can just click on this as well. And you see it has been regenerated. And that's it. So we also have call to action, right? And if you want this to display, you have to click on this button, right? And you see display CTA button, and it is here, right here, and you have to enter CTA text content, right? Click here now, something like that. Or let's say buy now. Then you have your link, enter your CTA link, right? Put your link right here, and you can adjust the color. So you click on these right here, and let me pick red. I think I like this, right? And that's it. So you click on save changes, right? And that's it. Video content updated successfully, right? So, and once you've done that, always ensure you click on save right here, right? And that's it. So the next thing you want to do right now is to preview your video, right? You've been editing over time, you have to preview it. So you come right here, click on preview. You'll be taken right here, right? This is the headline generated for you earlier on. Fruit of the exercise, weight loss through consistency, right? You come down, you see the content, this weight loss exercise, fruit, consistency product is a great way, and all of that, right? And you have the CTA right here. Buy now, whatever it is you want to put here, but this is the CTA, button, right? Which your customer can, of course, make use of. And right here, you have to click on these, and it starts playing, you see. And as you can see, the interactive features are working very perfectly for this video. So that is it, and thank you very much. We meet again in the next video.
That was the demo video by the vendor, and I think he explains this program pretty good. So if vAI looks like something that you might be interested in, or you're interested in my hand-picked bonuses, all you got to do is click the link down below this video, go to my bonus page, push the button on my bonus page, purchase the program, and you'll get access to vAI and my hand-picked bonuses. And if you like my videos, please like, share, subscribe, push that notification bell, make a comment. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you next time.
So, if you want to get the best possible deal, please check out the link below.